So I've got this really cool 54-watt LED light for work. It does need a DeWalt battery, which I have right here. So if you have a DeWalt tool, you'll be able to use this. It doesn't have its own battery. You will need that battery. And it's really cool. It's good for when you work, if you need a light. It does have USBs as well, so you can charge your phone or you can charge something else. It has a USB-C and USB-A as well. So now let's unbox it and check it out. So we have the actual light and manual as well, user care and guide, and that is the light right here. As you can see, it has about 20 LED beads, and it has this metal thing here on the back which helps with dissipating the heat from the light. It does turn around about, I think is 90 degrees on the side, on left and right, and then about 150 down and up. It has this handle, you can pick it up really easy. You can see here the buttons. These are two buttons. You have on and off, and then you also have two brightness levels, level 1, and this is off, and then you have level 2 as well. And on this side you can see the USB-A and USB-C, and here is the connector for the battery, DeWalt. And then on the back here, if you can see some specs, 6500 Kelvin, and then we have 16 to 21 volts and output 5 volts and 2 amps. Now let's connect the battery. The battery is really easy to connect. It's the same like you would connect it to your tool. So you can just take it out from your tool, or if you have a spare one, you can just, it clicks in and then it stays there. And it does add some weight to the light as well. So then really easy to carry. And now if we turn it on, that's the lowest brightness level. And then the highest one, it's really bright, really cool. And to take it out, you just press the button like you would on the tool as well. So push it and take it out. Really easy, really nice. So as you can see now, it's quite dark. Now let's turn this light on. That's the lowest level of brightness, which is quite bright. Can't look at it. And we have the second level, which is even brighter. Yeah, this is really good for working, and if you don't have lights, especially at night, really good.